Todd Butterfield, Wyckoff SMI, LearnCrypto.io for this week's Week in Review for April 28th, 2024. You know, we were getting close to oversold on stock indicators last week. I was kind of looking for sideways to maybe a little higher before probably resell. So we're still thinking about that. You can see here the Wyckoff wave did rally early in the week, came down hard late in the week. Technometer 41.8. And again, I still think the line of least resistance is lower. So let's still be a little cautious in the coming week. Wyckoff wave new index setting up here at the highs. Did kind of fall out of that uptrend, kind of testing it here now. Again, I still think we're going to see a little bit lower. Technometer was down there, as I mentioned last week, near oversold. Now we're up here at 46. On a few other indices, we're actually even closer to overbought. Wyckoff wave growth index, you can see here, same type of thing. We did bottom down there when we had that 40-something technometer. Now we're up to 48, 49. We've had a nice little ABC rally back. So I think this market will roll over and try the downside again in the coming week. SPY, you can see here last week we had that reading down there at 38.36 or so. That did catch the low exact as shown. We've had an ABC rally, technometer now up to 48.14. So maybe a little higher early in the week would give us a good sell signal. But I think, again, we're going to pull back here a little bit next week. TLT sideways. Technometer back to 50.7 now. That's not good. That looks like another place where we're going to try to roll over. So I'm not a buyer of TLT as of yet. Maybe looking for lower. Crude. I was wanting a pullback after selling there 2 weeks ago. Technometer still 47.7. So I think we still could try the downside. XLE, I mentioned I sold 98.08. Wanted to break down to around 93. We got close to that. But looks like still we could have a little bit more lower. Maybe we can still try to see that 92, 93 level before re-entry on the longs. GLD, same type of thing. Really about where it was when I sold it 2 weeks ago. We have had a little bit of a correction. Technometer 43. So on gold, again, want to be a buyer, re-entry on the long side, but currently on the sidelines. Same thing on gold futures, technometer 43. Would like to see a little bit more pullback to get us long again. Same type on silver. Silver's had a nice ABC off the highs. Technometer neutral. Volume is pulling back a little bit on the sell-off. So again, look for re-entry soon. Dollar, I'm talking about trying to be short. Have not done it. Technometer 42.9. No real reason for me to enter position. But again, looking for a short sell. Bitcoin really trading sideways. I've changed what was, I thought, an ABC down that ended. I'm a little more cautious now that maybe we've had an AB and we're looking for lower in the C wave to follow stocks lower. You can see volume here has been sideways for really the last month or so. So no strong volume behind the rallies. So I'm still a little cautious here on Bitcoin. Same thing on Bitcoin futures. Nothing to write home about. Technometer neutral. So we'll watch. Ethereum had a little bit of balance the last 24 hours or so on the ETF news. So not much to add there. Again, let's see if it'll pull back with Bitcoin and stocks. Last but not least, our short on Apple. You can see here I had a red dot on the sell back there on the 12th. We've got an overbought technometer again as of Friday. Got another red highlight there for another possible sell entry. Came back to that 172, what was support, now resistance. So Apple looks like it wants to try the downside again. So we're short, staying short. Have a great week and good luck.